Yep, so sup heaps, it's Banna here, and I will be announcing the banana and lime contest with me. I'll be starring in Oh My Gosh and the Flying Old Witch. Hello. So well, let's begin. I'll just over the house, just move to a front.
So, lime and banana competition is about having 2 bananas and a drink of lime. You gotta
About
spell
can size.
Yes. So you have to spell this out as fast as you can. Then quickly drink this.
No. Eat these as fast as you eat the bananas as fast as you can, then spell the drink.
And you have to try and not spit it everywhere and everything.
And by the way, just to let you know, I'm not cheating, my banana broke.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start first and take the
Three.
yeah.
Look at you, she's got a spoon. Sorry about the washing the dishwasher. Okay, Marsha.
Beware, you might be a little bit sick over this.
Hey, Marsha, yes, a little bit of my banana because it's broke. Yep. I'm already feeling sick.
Come on, Kate. Come on. I'm your coach.
Just roll up. Yeah, first time, by the way.
If we could stop now, I'm not stopping first.
You're making lots of more time to spit it on me.
So, please like or
Comment, subscribe.
yes, and also we got one more thing to show you. Can you look at this?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we got some funny tricks that we would like to show you.
Yep.
They're funny. Okay, Bailey.
I'm gonna
I'm gonna twist your nose.
No, I'm gonna break your nose off. Watch it. Just watch this. I'm gonna break your nose getting in here.
Yes. So if you didn't hear it, so the trick is that
You go to the place on Mumble Road. It's actually in Belgrade though. It's this little fruit shop. You buy some of these red, nice juicy red grapes, if you can see. Got this nice juicy red grapes.
They make sound.
It's like take
And
a. It's like no, take a bite of them, and this is how they sound.
So, thank you.
Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.
Thanks for watching.